The mountain looks beautiful this morning on my walk. Got a beautiful sunrise. What do you think? Pretty good? Yeah, pretty good? Now these clouds the other direction are looking pink and purple. Goodness sakes. I'm going to be taking you along on just a regular day and what I eat today and what we do today, getting our exercise this morning, although I also have exercise class this evening, so I'm just walking. Izzy and I are just having a nice morning walk, enjoying the sunrise, enjoying the morning air, and just going to bring you along on, just a day in the life. Ooh, look at the cute deer. I wouldn't have noticed it except that Izzy went on high alert. Oh, there's two. Hi, buddies. Hi, buddies. We're friendly. For breakfast, I have some leftover brisket that needs to get eaten up, and we got lots of eggs. So what sounded good was some brisket with, I'm probably going to chop it up and fry it with some soft-boiled eggs. So I have them in there. I need to start it. A couple of soft-boiled eggs. Let's see. For soft-boiled, I usually do like 2 minutes, and then a quick pressure release. So I'll turn off the reminder. And I wanted to make some hollandaise sauce, and I thought that soft-boiled eggs, brisket, hollandaise sauce would be delicious. So hollandaise sauce is actually pretty simple to make. It seems intimidating, but it's not too hard. I got the butter melting here. I have 4 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of cream in here. I'm gonna add a little salt. And then all I'm going to do, actually some pepper too. So now that this is, the butter is melted, I'm going to dump the butter into here and whisk it while I do it. And then I'm going to put it back in the pan and just heat it for like, 30 seconds or so until it starts to thicken just a little bit. You got to whisk the whole time or else the egg will start to cook, and you don't want that. You want it to be nice and smooth. Have it on about medium. All right, that's probably good enough. Don't want it too cooked, just want it to be a little bit thicker. There's my brisket and my 2 boiled eggs. I'm gonna get a little hollandaise sauce drizzled here. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Perfect soft-boiled eggs. I wish I had some fresh chives, but this is going to have to do. A little bit of onion salt. We're just about to head out to go to the library and then piano lessons. Charity has piano lessons today. And it is about 1 o'clock right now. And I'm not terribly hungry at the moment, but I know I'm going to need to eat something before I get back. So I am making a shake to take. You can never go wrong with chocolate peanut butter keto chow. And I'm going to add a scoop of the chocolate prime protein to bump up the protein. And as far as fat, I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of butter. My shake is ready and we are heading out. We went to the library, found all kinds of good books, and dropped off Renee at piano lessons. And now we're headed into Fred Meyer real quick. What? Oh, did I say Renee? I said Renee. I meant Charity. I confuse my children all the time. So just running into Fred Meyer real quick. We don't need much, but killing time while Renee, oh my goodness, I did it again. While Charity is in piano. They had a good sale on chicken breast and chicken thighs. So I got, oh, and Levi's yogurt that he loves.
I love it, it's so good.
I know.
We got 5.
So we got a bunch of chicken,
So
cottage cheese, and then the kids can't live without bananas. Can you live without bananas?
No, I can. Yes,
Oh, you can. You don't like bananas?
I cannot live out of bananas.
Okay.
I cannot.
How many bananas do you eat in a day?
2.
Just 2? Okay, that seems reasonable. We made it home and it's about 4 p.m. and I have exercise class this evening at 5:30. So I had my shake in the car about 3 hours ago and I think I'm hungry enough. I'm not terribly hungry, but I'm hungry enough that I think I'll be really hungry right before exercise class. So I'm gonna go ahead and have kind of a smallish meal or a snack, and then I'll probably have another smallish meal or snack after I get home. Don't know what I'm having yet, but I'm gonna try to scrounge something up in the kitchen. I made myself a little bit of a snack plate. I have some olive mix here and a cheese stick, and then these are some chicken, let's see, cheddar cheese chicken jalapeno sticks. I got these at Costco a while back. They're actually really good, and their ingredients are really good. No added sugar. There's a little peek at the ingredients there. Chicken, water, cheddar cheese, jalapeno, black pepper is just basically spices after that. Oh, isolated pea protein is the very last ingredient, which not a big concern to me. So anyways, I'm gonna have that and a Waterloo, and that'll probably be plenty to help me get through exercise class, and then I'll have something else. Just got home from exercise class. It was a killer as usual, and getting caught up on my electrolytes. I mixed this up before I left, been sipping on it, and I'm very thirsty. I'm not hungry at all. I may get hungry here, no shadow. I may get hungry here in like an hour or so. It's 6:45 right now. So I might eat a little more if I get hungry in about an hour. If I don't get hungry, I won't eat. I don't really worry about eating or not eating after workout. It just depends on if I am hungry or not. So we shall see. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take a shower because I stink. I am gonna have a small top sirloin steak for my second dinner. All right, for my dinner, I'm gonna have this. It is a little over 7 ounces. It looks delicious. A little bit of a fat cap here. I love the yellow fat off of this cow that we got locally. So amazing. And I'm gonna have a little bit of this crunchy jalapeno lime and onion as just a little bit of a dip on the side. Oh my goodness, the steak is so good. Here's a peek at how my calories and macros ended up for the day. I got 2,277 calories total. I got 206.8 grams of protein. That was 36.8% of my calories. I got 143.9 grams of fat. That was 57.7% of my calories. And I got 31.1 total carbs, or 19.6 net carbs. And that was 5.5% of my calories. Now over to my NutriSense app to show you what my blood sugar did for the day. I was very happy with how steady it was. Let's go over the different meals. For breakfast, I got a score of 100. I started with a blood sugar of 100. It peaked at 100, so it didn't rise at all. And then 2 hours later, I had a blood sugar of 96, so that was beautiful. Then for lunch, the protein shake, I had a score of 98. I started with a blood sugar of 100, also again peaked at 100, didn't go up at all. Actually, the only reason I got less than a 100 score on this meal is because my blood sugar dipped down a little bit lower than they would like. So I had like a big range in my blood sugar over those 2 hours, but I ended 2 hours later with a blood sugar of 97. Then my snack, I got a score of 100, started with a blood sugar of 99, peaked at 102 and was 101 2 hours later. And then my second dinner, just the steak that I had, got a score of 100, started with a blood sugar of 90, peaked at 92, and then had a blood sugar of 87 2 hours later. sugar. Now, I mentioned that I went to my exercise class between my last two meals of the day, and you can see my blood sugar actually went down from the exercise this time. I talked previously in a What I Eat in a Day video about how my blood sugar spiked from the exercise that time, and I really haven't found a good rhyme or reason to it, but sometimes my blood sugar spikes up from intense exercise, and sometimes it goes down, or I don't even see a blip at all. It does seem a little bit random. My NutriSense dietitian, he was saying that you don't really need to worry about a spike if it's not, above, I think like 140 or 150 or something like that, which mine aren't. But he did mention that hydration can have an effect. So if you do see like really high blood sugar spikes from your exercise, maybe try, going into exercise a little bit more hydrated. That might make a difference. So maybe I was really hydrated at this point, and so I didn't see any of a jump at all. So anyways, still very fascinating watching all the different trends and trying to figure stuff out. If you are interested in learning more about NutriSense and their CGM program and their amazing app, I will have a link down in my description. I am an affiliate with NutriSense, so if you do click on that link and put in your email address for more information, they will send me a kickback. So it's no cost to you if you just are getting the information, and it does help out my channel quite a bit. So I appreciate that if you guys want to do that. And then also I do have a coupon code so that if you do end up wanting to, use the NutriSense program, you can get $35 off of your order. So that info will be down in the description as well. Thanks again for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you again in the next one.